Hello my dear friend, welcome to the quickest, the sharpest, the easiest simple subject. Welcome to mathematics. Friends, in our previous video we saw how to construct a triangle whenever two angles and one side included between those two angles is given. Right? In this video we will see to construct a triangle, how to construct a triangle whenever two angles and one side is given, but that side is not included within that triangle. So how to construct such triangle, that we will see in this video. So are you ready? Construct a triangle LMN, triangle LMN, such that length of LM is equal to 8 centimeter, angle MLN is equals to 40 degree, angle LNM is equals to 60 degree. Suppose we have to construct such triangle. So what's our first step? Naturally, first step is we just have to draw a rough figure based on the given information. So we have to construct a triangle LMN. So let's draw a rough figure. LMN. Okay guys, then write the values in the rough figure, write the measurements in the rough figure. What information about measurement is given? Length LM is equals to 8 centimeter, means this LM is equals to 8 centimeter. Angle MLN means this angle is equals to 40 degree. Angle LNM means this angle is equals to 60 degree. See students, this side is given, this angle is given, and this angle is given, and we know how to construct a triangle if two angles, means suppose this angle and this angle is given and side between them is given. So what we have to do in this case? So in this case, either length of this side LN is required or this angle is required. If this angle, if we manage to find out this angle, then it will happen that these two angles are given and side included between these two angles is given. Then we can construct it as we have constructed in the previous video. Okay students, so is it easy to find out length of this side if only one side is given, or is it easy to find out this third angle if two angles are given? Naturally you will answer it's easy to find out this third angle. We have did such kind of practice so many times last year, right students? So let's remember what we have learned in our last standard and try to follow that practice. I hope you recall that one rule. What is how much is the addition of the all angles of a triangle? 180 degree, means angle L plus angle N plus angle N is equal M is equals to 180 degree, means this angle is nothing but 180 minus 60 plus 40, 100. Angle M is equals to 100 degree. Let's first find that angle. So angle L plus angle M plus angle N is equals to 180 degree. By the rule, if addition of all three angles of a triangle is 180 degree, therefore angle L 40 plus angle M plus angle N is equals N is equals to 60, 180 degree. Therefore angle M plus 100 is equals to 180 degree. Am I right? Therefore angle M is equals to 180 minus 100. Therefore angle M is equals to 100 degree. Sorry, 80 degree. So now this angle is 80 degree, and this triangle is now this triangle is converted in the example of previous kind where two angles and side between them is given. Means we can draw it as, suppose this is L, this is M, where L is equals to 40 degree, L is equals to 40 degree, M is equals to 80 degree, N is equals to 60 degree, and length LM is equals to 8 centimeter. Now can we draw a triangle of such type where two angles and side included them is given? Definitely we can draw by the method we used in the previous video. So let's start by our trick. First, information about one side is given, so let's draw that side. Let's draw LM of 8 centimeter. So automatically it will locate two vertices of a triangle. Line segment of 8 centimeter, LM of 8 centimeter is drawn. Now what is the next information available? Angle L is equals to 40 degree, means 2 point we have located. To locate this third vertex, what information about this third vertex is available? That this vertex makes an angle of 40 degree with side LM at the point L. So let's draw angle of 40 degree at point L. Where is 40? See, we have to look from this side. So on this side 0 is at the inner scale. So on inner scale we have to locate 40 degree and draw one angle. So here I have drawn an angle of 40 degree. Here, sorry, I am drawing one angle of 40 degree. 40 degree. What another information is available? N is making angle of 80 degree with side LM. So let's draw an angle of 80 degree at point M. Now we have to look the 0 at this side, because on this line segment we are drawing. So 0 is at the outer scale. On the outer scale 80 is here. So let's draw one angle of 80 degree here. Now this point is on this side angle, this ray also, and as well as on this ray also, means this point is our potential end point. So this is triangle LMN. In such kind of example, students, two things are most important. First, you need to find out the measurement of the third angle. Second, after finding out measurement, you need to replace the rough figure and give the name of the vertices and measurements according to the new rough figure. These two things are most important in such kind of examples. Okay students, so I hope you have understood it. Enjoy it. Bye bye.